Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to elevate your practice or home studio without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 3 best digital keyboards you can grab on Amazon right now. We'll cover what makes each one stand out, features, specs, pricing, user ratings, and even the pros and cons, so you can pick the perfect fit. Let's dive in. 1. Yamaha P225B. 88-key weighted action digital piano. The Yamaha P225B brings the authentic feel of a concert grand right to your living room. It features graded hammer compact, GHC, weighted keys for realistic touch, the renowned CFX premium grand piano voice, and virtual resonance modeling, VRM, to capture every nuance of string resonance. The half-damper pedal adds expressive control, and you can even customize sounds via the Smart Pianist app on your smartphone. At $699.99, it's a solid mid-range option that consistently earns 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 1,800 reviews. Pros: authentic weighted action, rich piano voices, advanced VRM tech, app integration. Cons: no Bluetooth connectivity, only basic sustain pedal included, minimal onboard non-piano sounds. 2. Casio Casiotone CT S200 61-key portable keyboard bundle. If portability and value are your top priorities, the slim CT S200 is a winner. It packs 61 full-size keys, 400 tones, 77 rhythms, and a handy LCD display into a chassis that's 30% smaller than older models. Power it via USB, AC adapter, or 6AA batteries, and connect to the Casio Music Space app for lessons and song downloads. This bundle even includes an adjustable stand, bench, headphones, sustain pedal, an instructional book/DVD, and a polishing cloth, all for $249.99. With a 4.5 out of 5 star rating from 243 users, it's hands down the best budget bundle on the market. Pros: ultra compact and lightweight, versatile power options, app connectivity, fun rhythms. Cons: non-weighted keys limit advanced technique, only 61 keys, bundle quality varies. 3. Roland FP10 88-key entry-level digital keyboard with Bluetooth. For beginners who want hammer action feel and modern connectivity, the FP10 is hard to beat. It sports Roland's acclaimed supernatural piano engine, fully weighted 88 keys, Bluetooth MIDI to wirelessly link with your favorite apps, and USB MIDI for easy computer integration. Quiet headphone play and onboard speakers make it versatile for any setting. Plus, twin piano mode is perfect for lessons. At $447.84, it strikes a balance between quality and price, boasting 4.6 out of 5 stars from 1,378 reviews. Pros: true hammer action keys, wireless MIDI, rich onboard tone engine, lesson-friendly features. Cons: pricier than basic models, heavier to transport, no built-in sequencer or extensive sound library. That wraps up our top 3 digital keyboards under $700. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear guides. See you next